In our last class, we have created the various pages for admin and users. Those are login and create.blade.php for admin. User also we have created create.blade.php and login page. Now what you're going to do is here. So first I'm going to create this section already I created. So here we have to this code I just copied the administrate registration. I have to paste them over here. Click on this create. Okay, so here this one, which layout? Login layout. This one. I'm going to this login layout blade or this layout page. I have put it here. Okay, so it's a content. Right, content means if you go to the here this is yield content. So this is the design. So here we have to go to here. So this is simple form design. So implement the simple card design. So you have to decide here. I'm going to get the div class container right. So card heading here this form field consists of three fields: first name, email, and password. We have one submit button. When you click save button, it goes to the admin controller registration action method. It goes to here. You have a simple form design over here. This div started and close it. It's a card design. It's a simple heading. Inside the card body, we have created the form. Form consists of these three fields: administration first name, email, and password. Okay, so when you click submit button, it goes to the admin route. So here admin. So admin controller registration action method. This goes to admin controller registration action method. This goes there. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the things. Okay, so here. Right. So after that we have to make second one is a login. Okay, the second login. Okay, this how the flow works we will be later create later on. So the second one is a admin login. So the same thing. I just copied, paste it over here. Go to the second one. Page is here. This one I have created some styling. I have gave some styling and created. So here this one should be also the layout login layout. This one. So copy this rename. Copy this layout. You have to paste it over here. Login layout. Okay. So content we have a simply we have to create the simple table design. So here's a login. So login. So heading you have to put it here. It consists of two fields: username and password. When the username is password and we have two fields, we have one sign in button. If you input username and password on the text field, click sign in button. It goes to admin controller check action method. It goes to here. Right? If there is an error, the error should be displayed. So I have done this things like this way. Okay, simple way I have done it, right? So simple way you have done it. So this is all the source code I provide you. Don't worry about that, right? So after that we have done the things well like this. Okay, so we have created the log admin create page, register page, and admin login page, right? So all the codes are over here. You will be able to study, right? Next up we have a admin dashboard. We have created admin dashboard. We have a already we have created admin dashboard. But admin dashboard also we need for this one admin dashboard. Now I'm going to create a controller which is admin dashboard controller. Admin dashboard controller. Right. The controller has been created which is a admin dashboard control. Oh, not here. We have to create inside the admin folder. So we have to create it admin slash admin control. Right. Now it has been created inside the admin folder. Let's remove this one. We now need them. Same thing we have to create as a user dashboard controller as well. Here also a user. It has been created. You will be able to see here Sorry, not admin, it's a user. Right, it has been created. Now here, this one I'm going to delete them. Right, admin user controller, admin dashboard, user dashboard. Right, perfect. Now let's clear the things. Right. Now what we are going to do is, right, now what I'm going to do is we have to make the things well. Now I'm going to create this one. So here, which is a user registration part and user login part. These all things I just copy user registration already. Create the page. You have to go to here. We have to this one all things I have to close them. Then we have to easy to identify the folders and files. You have to go to here, click on this, paste it over here. Second one is the login. Copy this. Paste it over here. So login. So we have only the changes you have to make it this one as a layout mode. I have to change this one. Login layout. This one should be the also login layout. That's it. Control S to save. Right. Now we have created all the views properly. Right. So views. This also the view dashboard. Right. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to do the thing is we already done the stuff. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to go to do the this one. Which one? Dashboard part. The dashboard part, once a user has been logged in successfully, we have to, which as an admin user. If the first we have to look at the login as admin user login. Okay, so when the user enter the respective username and password of the login, so it will be checking as which is an admin user or not. If it is admin user, it is as a login as an admin user. So this layout page you have to create it inside the admin folder dashboard.play.php. So here admin dashboard.play.php. Here you have to paste this code, copy this clipboard, paste them. Okay, right, you have to place them. Okay, right, you have to. Okay, so this one also is login layout.play.php this page. Right. Okay, right. Okay, so after that we have another dashboard which is a user dashboard. So you have a user dashboard as well. Dashboard dot blade.php, which is a user. This one for the user. It's admin. So you have another one is a user dashboard. Copy this code, paste on over here. Okay, so here this validation I have explained. Don't worry, just copy the paste the code. I'll be explained. So here what I did here is we are inside the views folder. We have created three different files. Create.php, which is a login and dashboard. Here we have registered the user. After register the user, we are able to log in the user. If the user login successfully, it goes to the respective dashboard along with the session. The same thing you have to do as well as a user as. Create the user account, log in the user account. We have to go to the respective view as a user. That's the thing we have done so far. Right? So that's the thing we have to do the things well. Right. Perfect. Now here this is the thing we have successfully done. So we have to do another pages. We have to create a so the tanks page when the user login successfully registration successfully. That's also we have to create it by the admin and user as well. So we have to this tank page as well. Here also Inside the admin folder, we have to create the another page which is thanks.php. After registration successfully, we have to send the message. Okay, so we have just thanks. So welcome user thanks. This also you have to write as a blade layout blade. So, sorry, this one login layout. This one also copy it. I'm going to do the thing is thanks.blade.php over here as well. Thanks.blade.php. Right, that's it. All things you have to save all. Successfully you saved. Right. Successfully you done the things well. Okay. I hope you guys who successfully completed these things as well. Right. So this is we have to in another tutorial I'm going to do the entire part, okay, with the routes, okay, how the routes implementation works, all things we have discussed about my next video tutorial. Keep watch them. This is very efficient stuff when you implement the system. Thank you for watching.